Hi everyone and welcome back to the Sue Crafts. I'm back again with a new project share. This is a mini accordion album, or you can say a zigzag style mini album, and this is the back. This one measures 5 by 4.5 inches and it's very lightweight and portable. You can see here, very thin and compact design it is, and I have just layered some die cuts for the decoration here, and rest is all plain and simple. You can see here. And then to attach it or to keep it closed, I haven't used any ribbon this time. I have just used a paper clip here, added a small ribbon bow on top so that it looks like this, and you don't have to tie a ribbon here, so it opens like so. You just have to pull the it's general like the paper clip you use for your notebook. So this is how it looks, and then this is all free, and this is how it opens. So I've kept it all simple and plain. You can see here, if you want you can add a picture here, and opens like so. This is how it looks, and this one can fit 16, like 15 to 16 pictures easily. I have added few tags here. You can see here, the 2 tags here, and they both go inside like so. One photo pasting spot here, and like I said, it's an accordion, so it's like a Z fold or zigzag style album, which opens like so. I'll just show you guys first how it looks, and I hope it is visible. So this is how it looks. So you can see a zigzag style, and I'll show you how each and every page or side looks. So it's all plain for adding pictures. If you want me to share a step-by-step tutorial, I can do that. Let me know in the comment section down below. It's very simple and easy to make. You can make it using your stash papers or any cardstock paper you have. You can make it any theme as well. So this is how it looks. It opens like a accordion, you can see here, and you can paste pictures on these areas. I've kept all plain. You can simply cut the photograph and paste here, this way, and here, and here, and it opens on left side as well, the same way. This way, I've just added small die cuts of circle shape, and then added strip of pattern here to match the theme, and then at the end we have 2 tags here. This is how it looks, and for adding 2 small photos, and if you have more photos you can add more tags inside this way. So if you guys want me to share a step-by-step tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below. I will prepare a tutorial for this one as well for you guys, and this one you can learn and make in very less time and with minimal craft supplies at home. So this is how it looks, the mini accordion or zigzag album. I hope you guys like it, and this is how it looks, and I'll just close it the same way like so. So it's all compact and portable, you can see here. Let me know guys if you like it in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified for more tutorial or project share videos. Thank you guys, take care.